Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the K-11 shooting drone. It shoots little water gel balls. Here's the remote. There's the drone, and I have some cups sitting on my Tahoe. Let's see what we can do. Thanks for watching. See the gel balls inside the little canister there, the jar. Let's go shoot it. Well, I got one. Let me get it adjusted here. There we go. Nice. 3 to go. Gotta lower it down. Oh, a little more height. Oh yeah, 2 to go. Hey, 1 to go. Oh. Oh yeah, we did it. How about that? K-11. It actually works. I like it. Let's see if I can shoot one at the camera. Oh yeah. I think I'm out. Alright, give me a second. I'll reload it. Let me land it. Shoot something at the camera. You can definitely knock over the cups. Be right back. Alright, here we go. I got it jammed up. I put too many in that time. Anyway, there you have it guys, the K-11. Pretty darn cool. You don't want to put as many as I did there. There's a line on the jar on how many to put in there. Just keep it at that line. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Sorry about all the surrounding noise.